Hi students, today we are starting with Plant Kingdom Classification. Our chapter number 3 continues. Entire plants which are present on the earth, they are divided into two parts, that is Cryptogamma and Phanerogamma. Cryptogamma are the plants, they have the absence of flower and absence of seed. Phanerogams are the plants, they are with flower and with seed. Cryptogams plants are divided into three parts, that is Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta, there is no differentiation of root, stem and leaf. Bryophyta, they have false root and leaves, and they have the particular structure which is known as capsule, and inside that spores are produced. Pteridophytes are the plant, they have the presence of true root, stem and leaf. Phanerogams are divided into two parts, that is gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperms have the seed but they are without cover. Angiosperm, they have seed but they are present inside the fruit. Thallophyta are divided into alga, fungi, lichen, bacteria also. Angiosperm is divided into monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Alga, fungi, lichen and bacteria already we have studied in earlier chapter. Angiosperm, they are divided into two parts, monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Monocotyledon, here seed is not divided into any part, so it is known as monocotyledon, and here internal part of the seed is divided into two parts, so they are known as dicotyledon seeds. Now we are starting with Thallophyta. Plant body is in the form of the thallus or bag, and there is no differentiation of root, stem and leaf. Vascular tissue is absent. Asexual reproduction by spore formation. Sexual reproduction organs are present, they are simple and unicellular. No embryo formation after gametic fusion. They are mostly aquatic. Part of the seed is divided into two parts, so they are known as dicotyledon seeds. Now we are starting with Thallophyta. Plant body is in the form of the thallus or bag, and there is no differentiation of root, stem and leaf. Vascular tissue is absent. Asexual reproduction by spore formation. Sexual reproduction organs are present, they are simple and unicellular. No embryo formation after gametic fusion. They are mostly aquatic. Thallophytes can be divided into alga, fungi, bacteria and lichen. You can see, first we will see alga, that is Spirogyra, Cladophora, Chara. This is first one, Alba, number 2 Palmaria, number 3 Laminaria. These all are the examples of alga. This is fungi, example mushroom. These all are bacteria which we have studied in second chapter. Now you can see number 1, that is coccus, round, coccus or cocci. Number 2, these all, number 2, that is bacilli. Number 3 you can see this one, number 3 bacilli, and number 4 vibrio. One more time we will see, they are cocci, round shape, after that bacilli, sickle shape, spiral, snake shaped. Number 4, that is vibrio, comma shape. This is lichen, which we know it is the association with alga and fungi. Alga prepares food for fungi and fungi gives shelter and water and minerals to alga. This is known as symbiotic mode of association. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.